apparently the watering valve out the front has not shut off. These flowers ought to be dead, really, and so should these, but they're flowering. A standing pool of water, not good. The plum tree looks really good because it's completely soaked. So it's been surviving the harsh summer because of that. These are doing well, but they're also soaked. Better fix the valve. So the valve's in this box. Which end? That end? Lift here, it says. So I'll have to take this apart because I can actually hear it running. Yeah, I can hear it running. We have to figure out what it is. It's either this thing, the solenoid, or the rubber valve in the body has gone haywire. This is the solenoid valve, and a quick poke and I can see that this valve is going up and down just fine. It's not seizing up or anything, so it's not the problem. I'll have to look a bit deeper. So I've taken all the screws out with the screwdriver and removing the cap. I'm now going to pull the diaphragm out, which has got a rubber thing on the bottom. That rubber seals against it. There's a groove in it, and it's that groove that's stopping it from closing. So if I'm lucky, I can reverse it and get back to a flat washer. Failing that, I'll have to replace this part. So as is typical, I couldn't get the exact part over at Home Depot. This is a Lawn Genie. They only carry one and it wasn't the right part. This looked like the closest one, but I had to drill a hole through the middle to match the hole through the middle of this one. And now I'm going to put a chamfer in the back. It's not going to be the same as that tapered inlet hole. But I'm going to put a little chamfer in the back just so that the needle can find its way down. I hope it works. It may not. So I've put the old one back in temporarily, and this one fits the groove, and that is pressed down. So let's put the new one in. Seems to fit the groove, and that is on the bottom, so it should have the same fit there. This bit, see there's the spike on this spring on this side, and I did already try that because I don't think I can do it one-handed. Maybe I can. Oh yeah, so it goes through. So whatever that thing does, it's going to do it, and it will push back to let go. Okay, I think this might work. Alright, so I'm putting it back together here. Got to get that spike in that hole. And it fits easily, so all I've got to do now is put the screws in. And the screws are back in, except for that one. The head sheared off it. Wow. Not supposed to happen, but it did. Okay, I'm going to try it and see if it leaks. Moment of truth. Got it all back in. I'll sort this out in a little bit. Got that back on. Let's open up the valve. See if it leaks. It's got a long opening. Okay, so I'm not hearing any noise out the valve. Let's open the test port. And I can't tell. Oh, I can hear it downstream opening. I think it just shut off. It shut off on its own, so that's good. I think I'm going to call that success.